106.3 no so about pounds media sound watch Emraso said an APOSO brew no pay Bayport savings and loans target save accounts text Bayport to 7,000 that's MTN users only and also Bayport to 1904 on all other networks. City Core smartphones Wamama Swimu Ayemi de Second Kings Real Estate, the home for kings. Call 0244645784. Feco Spray Starch, look sharp. Latest foam, your partner for life. Amen Scientific Clinic, allow Shafi Guard. Esther Healer, Lily Sunflower Oil, tasty food, happy family, and Tabia Heba Mixture, your true and authentic kebab scene. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? One of the swasted in APOSO brew and ano pay a customer you do back on a fin on what a abo. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Nanka
Boko, because he's our chassis as I was. Oh, Rocklin, I and you more could body ma near Tamana, Yabute, Tamana or Peno. And your drum more said than you. Now, shall say, no, me take glass nature, Marihono, and I'm casting a bogos while to correction. Oh. And you mau ji bumu so ma o de so don yum ni bra menya za o sejuan o jira ho ye nyina asa de ye bo praise kodwanchi tie captain smart pa asa de no si tunu nyum ya ne raba ho I heard obekoko Dabi na say Rocklin also so ti no be hu sa asa we ya obesesa na be metimi ato style bia kodwana akra be ka chem se me nkoy remix e ba gospel dia me kodwan so na ni je ho pa o we ya to menyum we ya fa menyum Dabi na ni je ho pa ndo fa nyum a obeta wachi kama tifa we ni na obetata na bo obeka watu we e de ka kodwanchia no ntu fa na ni be je ho pa shut up kodwo sankase na kodwanchu tunwum ya me gidi pass nka Rocklin konko nti ase enne kro hu asa na de ma nwum na hwe obesesa na adwen kodwo amachi de na call sante achim Kobosho and the back is ama and I almost see homophobia kokwa SD for maybe unu manyu topa pesa de kojoko jina amachi masu debi ambe na kwala ju sompara amachi pesa kojo be kwa de pesa na nyumba akona di kai boy ni so the power happy birthday say me ti say na you episode ti ade happy birthday na di masa ade nyanche ade otimi tonyum na asi na sum tra umiri munya da sa we na shatawali o ma so atimi sa ade na so me tene nka cha na se wa esro bisa no kan so mfa from ra shatawa onu ampa say dey see ye ni ti this year 3 songs yeah on am say every week you are trying and then you island at the park ha ayi betu be yitu unim say ayi me yitu wen me ne panyine bi di nkomo na me nim da ono waka o say shatter fans no professors pa 24 I was shocked. Na me who there be say unim say unse e ba shatter fans na dodo na na manfo agi yo wanya I was shocked. Me so for attack ekura kan ho me ne attack e na ye wo me shatters for life man me dem wo baby abi o baby ani obewo bi me dem me wo baby a nyum baby de bia me wo ho me share shatter yo Monsieur Stoneboy ayo. Oh, yes, Stoneboy ayo. Monsieur Obi ayo. Mo baby ah. Okay. Me penyuma identity. Na enyuma edeni nyina na ye ka kodwantwi odonwuma obo ne yiri din. Oba a ope no edin na wotena se nwene nwom epe sound ekokotena studio na oyema ne yere. Na nti wo de na Valentine ya ebe e kai why of Valentine pay kumi me masam nanka hoye ye bro da ntwebru nya ye di Valentine I say
Boko. Are you had it?
So I do Beko Island.
Why we be any?
Where we be? We are final work.
Uncle sound no so kakra ma.
Sound. Mixing.
Sound mu ye me do.
Say mu do.
Nti ebro voice.
That's all the boom.
Nya boom boom no. Ya na asa me am tension me hu say quality no sound quality no. E form kakra ma.
Okay. What the to gringo ho an.
Ne mu da ho.
Gringo ne mu da.
Akwa da ho pa.
What the to ho there.
Eh aduaba.
That's
why was a pink.
As a pink no magia to
who was sim time say pink nka ye maya dia ye nim de nti a obem kata ti wa kwakwaje pink it's not true gentlemen wear blue
no they show we na gentlemen
it's not true
they show we na
ye be you wedi na dia ma wo yasa wo tata ma o pink ho pe be you afiri ko ye dia na kumi share na experience
Valentine Vals Day me on ya me shada mpe Vals Day because Vals Day bi so to kai se dey bi pa free kwada so to kwakodu asta na Vals Day so to yes e ma de na Vals Day ne ho ye me
ma wadua ne kai yes ya sekuma se asante kotoko home
oh if you are Vals Day anya madam for me but who say Adom FM ye dey Vals Day program special one eba chese utu say odolastic eno makoyi yes am for mu videos mra for married couples men kwachi obi ba nkwahye konam nkoyi video fa to wo no ye no my video at konti I say mama 9 street erade Adom na working happiness ofie kwan so say yetimi pick video na say Vals Day we beboa mo di pa amana ye de into the Vals Day we I'm hoping say Adom FM adawrumenti ye betimi di ene nuanom joy
men can the underlying word here is can. Men can wear pink today for reasons of unashamed and unbridled vanity.
Fantastic.
Me can na many aje wono.
It's not true. Read.
Okay. It is simply one of the most flattering colors a man can wear.
That's right. Very flattering.
Deep shades of pink look great on men with some color in their skin. Whether
we look great in it.
And so say na catch you say you can. Did you can nyina ye obema wo pink no de krokro.
Dabi.
Or de sound cry say kosohye.
Dabi.
Na mom say opa abo ema no kan cho say can. Obeka cho say eye madia.
Dabi.
Na mom an say you say adroi eye macho. Na mom so wo jemire kutu a ubetimi anom
dabi enya no
sa na sam na ye no eno just say yo jemire kutu adro
5 reasons why all men should wear pink.
Oh who so dey say unkran who so see should who so dey say unkran enya wo dia afa na all krokro wa
5 reasons why everybody should brush the teeth. It doesn't mean say
no obi an brush
oh dabi
o pa say the o ka ko si answer color party o color ye pink eno ana o ka ko si
oh dabi na say no the pink pen ye dey.
When I got you.
Oh, now what color is your bed?
Could be said day.
Me say rumbo.
Me say gringo.
The color be anko.
Me say gringo.
It's Phoebe Adum. Oh,
color party.
Untimi fa color.
We are no longer boys. Yeah, it's a boys colors.
Untimi fa colors. Unsa me art. So when it comes to color separation, any color combination, that is my world of speciality. Untimi fa siseme.
Oh, die.
Pink, mauve,
or the purple accounts,
yellow,
or the purple accounts.
Those colors are feminine colors.
Wanna catch a what?
Are feminine colors? No, it is a oh yeah.
No, the fact that a bright feminine doesn't make feminine. It's not true.
A man, you should wear colors. It's a show we. Now give it in a big man, politicians, no big men, and new money. Colors we have been no much.
Oh, Debbie, inside no, they're not fun.
Yes, a man must look ugly.
And fearful. Executive dressing.
No,
Debbie, the co baby.
Yeah, the coin.
Oh, but say beautiful pink shirts. You put on a tie with a blue-black jacket.
I didn't you want a pink jacket. I'm famous.
I didn't change a mad, no person, a fata mema.
I've worn pink for years.
We know it's not right.
It is.
We know, but it's not right.
You know, the first and pink mema color. Pink used to be masculine and popular among guys. Yes.
Since when?
History tells us that pink wasn't always a feminine color. The director of the museum at the Fashion Institute Technology, Valerie Steele, takes it back to the 18th century. Men were known to wear pink and silk suit more than women.
Takes us back. We will not go back.
It's already 18th.
Whether you will go or you will not go. Color party bebaso.
Ola ba.
23rd. Hey, abayun.
We have about 12 days to go.
23rd. The first Sutherland Children's Park. And upon 9. And the pink pen any shade of pink.
Yellow.
Obinya brown one.
Blue.
Well, last week 3 days which are pink.
So
no.
Oh, we boom.
Peace in the
Adane pink. Ebe tom. Kofo diabro no betom.
Ajuaje pink and white.
Peace in the and ebe crash.
Inti mo wani nye. We have run.
Enti mo wadi ana share so color party beba so on the 23rd of February. Enti share so my ye no na be wu ade mo ho. Come up
Valentine no so ba o.
No, why?
You
Valentine. I don't know you to be that romantic anyway.
Why? Oh, yeah, Barry do.
That romantic.
And we bought tricking shot. Yeah, brother, him on pem.
Oh, romantic in yam.
Romantic in yam.
And we are sexy. Romantic in yam.
Romantic in them.
Oh, so we know man.
I said me research why most African men are not romantic.
What charming crime the visas are you romantic? Or say Bemo romantic needed Butomudu.
Hey, maybe bottom when you do so romantic power.
Romance area.
Romance Nanka said,
Jim pocket the pesca to feel
in his caneko.
Romance in his caneko.
Nanka doing him.
And a gun at you.
Now come to your bows and me romantic actually. Oh, Numpos are romantic. Oh, but I say, Jimmy, no. No confess, Gabriel.
Let me say your time, man. That's how you're romantic.
Satam no bano one jono. No, beside the engine, I'll see. You would have me and
school fees, what die time as
I was a romantic. But dear, by your war. Daily graphic in ye. Or say, a member woman named Quada, a wood school, a Shasium, basic school, and Yensano. I was a summer man in a jail. School management committee, school management committee network, or Pandai, what if you do mantamu. And penny for a dano and almost assemblies are who drawn any bylaws, and ran from Ghana ran. Potamu, say Papa Penny be bra penny beer, one do I say, or yes, it be more area from virgin breakers. A quadaba will be as is one the baby kino. Oberhano on any more rough. Almost a sa and memoana will moody say Jumano. Yanya bylaws. Sa ebegina so na ye de jaili sa ememu no na no aye asua de obi ban kwada na ohun se ye wo so a na wahunu se oben jail sa de be ya ebebo woni ye sa no hu ama wo mo atwe mo ho afiri ho we eye
when ya bra o ka paper no nim de akwadwo adwuna
o hwe kola pa
some me hasa me nyintum se pink me makala kwadwo o ya de amentiase. Okay, your color hand.
And only purple, the way me dey free me.
Purple no poye.
Anytime you see me in purple.
Purple no ye.
Oh, when they fatal.
Purple no ye. Purple no ye. And no poye efiriwe hu a kakra na o bembeko na pink no dey.
I wear pink on great days. Pink no dey. Yes, I wear pink on great days.
Yo. Yankwa Child Rights International.
The dominant color was pink. Then you say kunya so no.
Ere hu white.
Just am sako her.
Samhwe.
Na friends the background in white. Ni anwunwe ne niema tutu.
Pink is authority.
Me hu green.
Yes.
Ntina ma authority no.
Pink is authority.
Ntina ma authority.
Purple is power.
So
watch out for my pink and purple.
Child Rights Executive Director ma Child Rights International Mr. Bright Apia was say na said ye tete nkwada eyo omayaka de no eno eye meka say o say ye ensenchene a ekire sade yemfa ye ho enhye dwumadi a eboa emeye hunu hia ese ye behwe nkwada yie ama wo mu aye anyi na wo mu nyine gina bre papa bi agina ni saso nti wo se ehu behia se ye benya child protection system enhye ye bebo nkwada no ho ban na so obi efom sa emra na yetimi ene no adi na ne asama Child Rights International for Kenya over the weekend me call Cape Coast David Strebo Boatin waya ye de say emfama akwada na yetwa ne nsa no enti ye de ekoi na me call ho no children's hospital ho no ma me call ye no ene ma me hu ye no etode ene bright appear kan so akwada also free school buy ne namu hye no ade a chi na naposo nyina honhon na hye nsuo ne papa se we di ohwe honhom yare nti emfa no to ye de ne to hwa na ma me so hwe na ne dem bu akwada ne pro enti time a otimi wia no ho fa akwada no kodu hospital wo Cape Coast Hospital he ya making na akwada no ne nsa ne nanso ana proper ma make say ne nan benkum no ye twa ne nanso ani nyina afiri ho ene ya wurewure ne nan no mu nifa no so ya timienu ne de kokromoto no ene de to aso na afiri ho ne nsa benkum no ya tene nsa mani nyina afiri ho ne nsa nifa so ya sia akwurewure bi aka ba mi nsa bi ene tuatua ho akwada nanu fa wekọ jese na poso no ya re kan no ne papa ba me de na ko hospital no ye de ne share dem
ye pesusu sem dodo bibia pese de shebe
ye de ne share dem
yankopon kra to da sunsumo home on the 7th day God rested.
He rest after rest no kra na chi no se yankopon ne bibia oye no asame wo sade me kan say ye kan eno kra to nchen a bra edru honam mu se nyakopo wo Yesu Kristo twen aba no ofa aba na de bo nipa wanfa honhom ene twen aso enti ye wo bibia eye nipa ho ade a wo so wo hwe medical nyakopo na ma obi nim de say we ba fa we ni we kan bom ne fa kan nipa no ne ho beto no enti sa wo ka say honhom nkwa na de akwada na hyedem na akwada ne pro na hu akwada no a aba mu kama ene wadi dam nyame adom wo ye hwe no ena eba sa akwada bi ese ne maame awo no akwakosie no cerebral palsy ama akwada no sa akwada no yesie no no em say the be 3 days ti akwada no hunam nyina roye ne hunyina proye ena nyame adom obe akwada no obe 3 years because we di hospital nkwampo be 2 years
enye the amazing fo bi ko hu na
ekoko hu na ekoko 2 years enti say yetimi ye we nyina ditia enkwala
makacho so man bi anya den
na ne efa akwada no so a ye twa ne nsa no akwada na no ye twa ne nsa no ne ho asem oboboba me call ho dem kokoto ye no se o ka se nka be adopt no aden na ujaye
ana se minister
ka so minister ne
minister boa I'm speaking on authority
hey
minister boa
MP ka so be adopt no
MP se ye won hira bia ye mfa ma MP MP wa children's home crans na obeye MP enti MP na penipa anwumre bi omo no aduane ko eba ya won sa okra yi wanim se nka obeboa asam no ebobo ba de figo si en
find out e bia na minister na yi nani ahye MP
oh bra ebobo ba ni nyina beba bra ni nyina beba yanko pepe so eti graphic ye mfa so ho no mana na ado se nyame ehira Ghana intina ahye no kran say onso be bibia hye nyankopon ni munyam ene cathedral
ne fa Ghanaian Times en fan to aso ne yesi free senior high school no manfo bi a woka say wo bi a eja wo obetimi ahwe wo ba na nka watu school fees na ban so wanyi ntum wanya ka say free no wuso fe twumu ne betene kra ye pa e free wo ska for sika kwato banke na ni nyina emu no yesi say aban dwene ho se suapon ahodo no enfie nan na adesuafo kwaje ntete no wo hwan so e de abanfie miensa na de obokra ta ikiru ma wo soafo wona na hwe ngomesua wonsam so Matthew Poku prempe na pone ba monti bikirim so ko wiase afa na nyina 3 years itigana nkwa 4 years no hune sa afene da so no ye hye da nim de ye ntie be ya ki hwan so emfamre mfimiensa na muama no mankoyim no soafo wo no ene hwe amano ne nsa wo so di ho nsam so foreign affairs minister Shelley Ayukubo twenifonyini da ha waso ne poni kama wo se Ghanaian passport now valid for 10 years. Yes, I can no na 10 years na ja ye de ba ye nim be no 5 years say de ya say pia so de kwachira 10 years nti awrade wadom na onya passport a gise fiche du ansa na be say ya say na ye de ayi na
so be renew
nti ko renew ana
nti ya na ye de omo okay na afi no be printing out no eno printing out
the number 5 years na say yeah
and you see a better answer
there be just so sakwa foforo Jesus sakwa foforo
nti na Ghanaian Times na je tena hafia ha ye tiati man so my 10 years na
on se to de bia nipa ya na
I say adwini ba ko na adwini ba ko fotu
wo ye no
adwini ba ko
so ye twa ho ka no e ho adwini ni wutirim
nti na du be ba consultation ti e ma free consultation na
adwuma yi bo so ye twa ho ka e ho adwini ni wutirim
yes be need maybe an organ
who says here trebi so no na be dwen ti time aye kan no mo so yo
it also the say so bom to janti keep on doing it you are doing a good work Ghanaian Times say be ka we ho ne what they
aba Africa fi Adom the way okay you are doing a good work
yo ene na
good morning
Chronicle Democrat anuni yes nyame ya adom ya da sorry aye kan so be maganda nchichiri akwa anim amafo so ko cemetery musie ho e wukuma se
ke kakash wo ho
say emu odo
hwe
efuna
amusie yes
o pasase esi obi a 3000 flat a flat tree
yes kroma kra baby e be 30,000 ya nkeka ho
maybe I don't know quite
say be say no your private you
na say no nya say
na why get so many
and ho no so no
Mike na
and ho no so no here ya shed obi age as a project and we see o chimbe ho nyina ho
chimbe ho
utimi tua chimbe ho me kwa documentary utimi tua chimbe ho it no say rade wadom na obi bi wu a ne de ba kwa to chimba it say woman na rade wadom na se ka abowa ana o yare na wu a wonim so baby abeda dada nya fi na se current dan samando ne de ho nso amon chimbe ho no betimi akore
enti Chronicle so betimi aka ede ne sapem ne bo se tafo municipal assembly wone soame assembly wo mo na sese wo mo twemanso e wo tafo public cemetery edin ada amusie no so firi tete kwame nkroma bere so tafo amusie ye nanso ne soame fo se wo mo dia enti soame fo ene tafo eno amoko amusie ba ko
tafo ese ye no mo
na no se twa say minim se okofa ho acha se amusie ni mo atre enti edi ko soame fo asasim oh mazi ho no
enti e beka say Tafo Swami branch of the Tafo cemetery. Inti no nka omuya ne sa.
And assemblies no, dia mo mani abre ne so be a per revenue. Eti no say
IGF no hu hia. Eti enne de masotwe ba na nka e be pere bibia nka tetetete a. Na nka yetete anka musie so ye pere. Nka musie so nka ya de pa papa penet mi na fitra asase e masamu fanya musie na nka
ojiska na say
odi ache yanku animu ensem trafo say ameswale ni wo no ye pe die okun no emra enya djuma asotwemra enti Ghana International Press Center eyenim se anka wo mo kala no nanka eye black and yes nanka mo kala no sea blue and white na no fia daudu wo no mo ade ohun black and red and some trofo akọ ho de o hye tuntum wo de kokọ abom de o hye kokọ so itim say yes kokọ pa ni nyina wo mo kokọ hia ye eja ye nuaba ma Ahmed Hussein Swale kwan wo kọ ye no wo mo nyina so wo so ne say Ahmed ye asamado omanya ye de memma ne ye danchambuo ma ye pia to ne nkonipa okun no so enti wo de era Roland Afel Money DJ president ebra wo kasa tim se na nani ado ayeko nani abre ensam trofre February ba ye John Osof ya wo no so be begina kasa ye ede ema ensam trofo a wa mono ne a wo tai san hwehwemu ye chi ena wo de wo munyina ba fe ensam trofo e ko ye dodo no ara ena ye de wo mfoni aba na mpi no okopede said the mode pe fans
MPs be one journalist
we dey the copy fans nye no
no be sound background
oh bra
ebi o yense
ye ni mo ana Dabi enim se MPs ni bi journalist ane nke enim kojo opon kroma kwaze ya ye nua ye dim also we do the copy fans tin e mo ni din wa ha
yanko ya ni man Ghanaian Observer de obokrata yemfa entoaso na ayawaso West Wugon bedweku aya pawo so monye hwehwemu fa basabasa ye koso a Justice Emil Short woda no ne waba bontia bekasa no mo se enya de omu bedo bia time bi no kuro wo mu bia no mbede na dia magana de hye nyina de hu bi obeka ya asemi ba ye video e call viral social media ne ade ekowi ase ye se obi tu ama se kura de doctor fozi bi twane nan e ma video ni mu Sam George okoye papa Aston ni bese so we turuku a okoye turuku a amekowi ase first slap elande wham was you know me I am an MP so what second slap wham after you know me I'm an MP I'm the we say when you have fefere we ready penimu awoko opanyine am short say no kure wo mu bi obema Ghana de hye nyina da ehu bi na ohwe ha kratafa etoso mienu story
dem amuso enda say no mo de hwehwe maybe
so far
I think say ni kwan say cho because
one man
I do so
Oh, Debbie, say, I don't send some near course on the snare dorsum.
Some no.
And some near course on the snare dorsum.
But some national security minister say only deploy them. So
it be a mobile friend, Nako Commission on Wako.
And we are a beer cabia.
A beer.
He says I deploy
because we don't know for a fact.
No, he said it.
Oh, and the Waka.
Yes, so
Waka was no more yet. Operation bina even on
you see
on Samson come on with the news file no say it goes beyond the by-election, and as they were talking now still operation
so he said I deployed them
it won't no coaching operation crow and no macro mu ya and mom your margin so mobile let's give them the benefit of the doubt near her say eradia adum no mu na eba out. That's a findings near your question be now for your attack or so.
Remember 2 minutes back.
Can't afford to 2 minutes. I want to tell America man penny Donald Trump. Why is he at the mobile and mobile vice penny in the boon? Yes, we're young. Yes, no one day pa when you're 72 years. No penny in your son, a doctor for 24. Sanka Bayanka, Nimwa you do. Body mass index no much care why can sort of don't want to so tonight so yes yeah man for White House your opinion in the jai.
Oh no, say I don't have stress.
We will say
I
so casa meko.
I don't have stress.
Mr.
Nipa as we did do no
e won some hana yes new regions no so man panini then you be man legal backing if reach na ko si fiada it be dru fiada ne de na 6 new regions and panifo so omode ba na wiemu dia emra techri na fi mantem no every du akosi du nsia we are Ghanaian observer
and then I have the independent democrat no kan we say be kakra no aban say wototo nyoma se the junior high school ni senior high school certificate no ye be pagam na akoye diploma enti enewa akwada bi be wie JSS na ubehia no
ministry na babonti o mse nyesa no
anyesa no mpache ene krata isu sa no ka kire yen e de nyame ase esa na mampanifo no mu wadwuma mu dada no mu kita diploma no so certificate na ayaha there be say JSS wo nyina kita bia
on say first no kuta a year kuta HND first no kuta PhD any HND no me ade akopole wo mu wia no
no but
by say e me ko nim te so wa
science certificate ekwo hi
on say Ghana you book long ukoba bia wonim ya ya me hwe wo wia na ya fawo
SSC
ya wasa yi we nyina agu amafo abonwoma so de bia hia ya enti ngoma sua ne sua de go hin
me I think say education minister benya kokuduro no we jina na so de ya it's far better
and now
say Ghana no we are quick judging asama no beto near judging without actually you take it time na ya dwena asem no ho na ye hunu mu ye na ye busa the relevant questions or say anka ye Ghana nyina na ye ndwene ho so we senior high school when say ade o musua no more or less A levels near mo e bi kura bro A level there no so ba okuta SSC what do call other countries are they are catch us here pacho tokone
just say A level
you see the napokan they are starting you know huntem as soon as possible
na me dey how many
BEC you free ho
me dey how many
diploma
basic level no as a courses na do so do na we share kwara pass o school a obeka se parachute ne bonachi bag e bonachi na betiti say kwara ni nyine bubu acha
power bia class 1 to 6 two subjects DSS 1 to 3 4
is the best
4 SS 1 to 3 we start introductory course into professional person will enter into finito if you want to be a medical doctor started from SS nurse started from SS if I have any authority bam
anke yo
akra with Jesus or yet
anke yo
bam
who do university now wadwum bia wutimi sua de na semester back no bia ye ma 4 subjects ye ma 4 subjects and next semester ndio usua ye no unsua bio odra unso hwe bio wawio enso akwala ono afi na na adwin nyini no
batonya botre BC English maths science agric science pre-technical social studies Ghanaian language 7 no
you cry my religious and moral
BC What's the answer to 5? Hey, what you yeah, the Islamic religion grab a shemo. What was I at so? Yeah, the demenso. English, math, science, social studies. Pre-technical skills. Ghanaian language. Bakuna boys is here.
Religious and moral.
7.
Could you hear the echo? Where you man?
I don't the 5 days natural. Tis a debut, I want to create an echo for.
Yes, social language is neck home.
I mean, yet it's in Colanisa, baby.
Yes, one tea been taking a can home. Yes, 10 years, the Agelini 10 years. Young can want some, and Quadaya or Maya Kayakadi or Chroma Bini, Papa Penipa, if I knew Ezekiel, about 39 years, Aquada 10 years. Aquatrona Mona. Ayakayaka de young Quadati tuning my bow.
Right, D. Mintia, my position, no. But I believe in human left.
Where human left means?
Where human left means punish him severely.
Nana, some okay, and Yamsumino Yajo. Me, Emrano, I catch rain and I say, Kofo be a dear. Wabu and Yagumrano so, Abefama de. Nasa Meme Chiwa, Media some of me woman in Mumrano so. Into the Biana Momoa, or would decline your boneno. Now, I say, I didn't favor more. What I know when the Ghana Constitution say, don't defile.
Would you unite the crowd to
30?
Now, Anka 30, not 10 from Macase. The Bemen, you're 20 years older than the lady.
Could you remember them problem here? And
I shall send Kitty say, and Kitty say, yes, you. Age is just a number. Age is just a number.
10 years.
Age is just a number. Age is not just a number.
Embrana idibina indibino. Kwabrani twenya nkrompo anim the pain. Ebo man ikro we ekuwiase a ye betwe ne court
sa. Ye won a dross.
Sese nkwada na kwadwome bata krade fo nkwada na asem na kosisen.
Oh.
Enkra miensen ye wo mayire yi a ye hu se emrahye bedwani bia asore afa montren se ye se workout to se hwan it se de omo ye de ma Sam George no enkwada na asem na kosisen.
Na no dwada wanti asana na mebisa omo no. When you obi ba na yire nti onu ko anasem a.
Ombanya ndwene nkwada ne mba homa ne hwe we ye run a dross. Na ya ma police ni bi di seminar ye. Da wa boso masa. Na dwen abantrim
suspected kidnapper kra waje atum so na eche nkwala no ka. Otimi twa dwane ne ase akofra na ba.
I will see a corner correct. A baby crown must try almost so, and I will see a corner correct. We try and will be a man on Quani Jane, and a true which is in a baby or war. And I do man as a banner.
Will be.
It's Nana Yako na ma can't here for say, Webia, or the Beboa Aquadana, ye chan sana. We are set a fund at the ama. 1 year no enti ubetimi de wo mo anako enkwana emfasika nhye nana anase de ote ne nchen no nsem nipa e wo ho no mo a wo mo na wo mo ye de ahye wo mo sa social welfare for ho na ye maame afia oforiata ono na ye in charge e wo hospital na ye de no akwala na kwa akoto no nti se wo kọ hospital ho no mo a ubetimi de ama ye maame oforiata anase ubetimi age account number no later on no ye de akwada na account number no ebeba fund na o maseti a o mo de hwe no no enya akwada no kwa ne hia mo a wo ho enkwada bebre ne hia mo besi cyber akwada na ye twa ne se no ni hwefo
I don't want 6.3 I'm right to say the Faber was so bro but then nya botre na da jena tna ha ya na Sharon so mama said DBS roofing sheets Franco Trading Enterprise Vita Milk Adom online.com onum le so asa yaba
106.3 FM
Jim FM 106.3 Only God can